And this is where camping here. This is how the jungle people this is how the jungle people survive in the winter season. They start the fire like this, break. Actually, these two are very much ill. They are suffering from high fever and they wanted to come outside, and the wind is blowing, so it's very cold here. So we have induced an idea. Yes, I'm doing it. Here you go. This is a tree of our home. It was basically an orange tree, but it got dried out. We waited it for a whole year, but leaves doesn't grow in there. So we cut it down, took the branches, and we thought that we will teach children that how the camp people and how the jungle people survive. So they're learning to make fire. We basically put the shoppers in their plastic bags, 2 plastic bags and a little bit this wood, and because the sticks are very thin, so the fire got started. You're getting afraid of it? बेटा पाइप थोड़ी जलाते हैं, स्मेल आएगी. Only woods.